$1.7 million gone in 2 days. One woman was left with just over 600 Jamaican dollars after years of saving and accumulating almost $2 million in her account. Omar Lyons has her story.
$1.7 million to $636. A discovery that left a woman in eastern Jamaica stunned. Working for decades and saving money for a rainy day, only to see her bank account empty, left her in a mental storm.
It's rough, and the only reason why I am still sane and I am not getting too depressed is because I am a Christian. I've been praying about it, fasting and praying. My church brethren are encouraging me and praying. So that is the only thing that is keeping me, just my faith in God.
Now, a bank statement shows 4 different transfers from her account. 2 on October 12, 2023, $500,000, then $490,000. Then on October 13, $500,000 again, then $220,000. This she realized 2 days later after she went online to do a transaction, as she does from time to time. When she logged in, her balance left her unbalanced.
Immediately, I called customer care because when I opened the thing, I realized that a large sum of money was removed on the 12th and on the 13th. So I called customer care immediately. When I explained to them what was happening, the person said to me, the money from your account was transferred. If I made a transfer, I said, no, I didn't make any transfer. The money was transferred to another bank.
The money was transferred to someone she doesn't know, and the customer care agent told her it seemed as though she was a victim of a scam and subsequently closed the account. The woman then went to the Morant Bay branch to make a formal report. There, she spoke to the manager and was then directed to the police.
They asked me if I got any text message or email or anything, which I responded to, which I said, yes, I got an email sometime before.
It was this email, purportedly from the National Commercial Bank, NCB.
I clicked on the email, but then it didn't do anything. It was just like going around in circles, and I came off, and that was it. That was all that I did.
On December 11, 2023, NCB posted this infomercial on its Instagram page. Too late for this victim. Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.